NVIDIA has dropped the bomb in the name of NemoClaw. Before talking about the NemoClaw, first let's understand what is OpenClaw, because without that context, nothing matters.
OpenClaw is the number one, it's the most popular open source project in the history of humanity, and it did so in just a few weeks. It exceeded what Linux did in 30 years. And it's that important. It is that important.
Let me put that in perspective to you. Linux, the technology which 96% of the internet uses today, took 30 years to reach over there. React, the most popular front-end framework, took 17 years to reach 243,000 GitHub stars. The OpenClaw took only 100 days. I'll repeat again, took only 100 days to reach 250,000 stars. It's not that the GitHub star matters over here. It's what OpenClaw bring with us. It's what OpenClaw actually does. OpenClaw is an open source AI agent that lives in your computer. It can send messages on your behalf. It could be Telegram, it could be WhatsApp, it could be tons of other messaging platforms. It could read the email and send the email. It could write the code and run the code on your behalf. It can access the file, run scheduled job, spawn multiple sub agents. It's basically like giving someone complete set of digital key and they are running on their own. Now here's where the story gets interesting. Now let's understand the problem with the analogy. Now let's imagine you hire someone for your company, a very talented and a brilliant person. They can read every email on your company, access all your financial data, read the code, write the code, and access any kind of data they want. Now ask yourself a question. Would you give all the unrestricted control to your company on the day one? No HR department would do this on the day one. You would give them an ID badge. There are put a CCTV cameras onto them and track each and every movement of them. You would define which room he's allowed to go, which file he's allowed to access. So you will have the audit trail of each and every action it takes. It's not because that you don't trust them, it's because how system work. It takes time to build a bond and trusting. So once you start trusting the system, then you would eventually giving him more access out there. It's exactly a same system with the OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a brilliant AI agent. It lives inside your system, no restriction, no access control, no guardrail, nothing. So now think about it. Let's say CA deploy this particular system. It has a record of 10,000 client. Would any kind of a CA give this 10,000 client record to the AI agent? There would be a security threat, right? That all the system could be hacked anywhere. So let's say, for example, you have deployed your OpenClaw inside a WhatsApp agent. Someone could prompt inject and ask all the information, and OpenClaw would eventually give it. So this was the main problem which OpenClaw had. So everyone knew security is the major problem of OpenClaw. So now NVIDIA came up with the solution. They partnered with the OpenClaw and came up with the NemoClaw. So NemoClaw is not a separate AI agent. I want to be very clear about that. NemoClaw is just an added security layer on top of the OpenClaw. So going back to the analogy, OpenClaw is a new hire which you have done. NemoClaw is ID badge, CCTV camera, all the audit trail that you're doing. So here's what it actually does technically. Step 1, it installs with a single command on top of your OpenClaw, giving OpenClaw enterprise ready solution. Second, it uses the privacy router. It is a system that monitor OpenClaw in the real time. If OpenClaw try to access some file which it is not allowed to, NemoClaw will stop it from happening. Third, it is a policy based guardrail which is written in YML. Think of it like a rule book. You can define exactly what agent can do and what it cannot do, which file it can access, which network it can access, which external service it can communicate. The agent literally cannot go outside its rules even if it tried. Fourth, it has a kernel level sandbox powered by NVIDIA OpenShell. This isn't a software which can be bypassed by giving a clever prompt. This is enforced at a OS level. Your agent is locked in a cage which it cannot escape. Fifth, it gives you a full audit trail. Every action logged, every access is regulated. For regulated industry, this is not nice to have. This is a must have. And here's the part that's really matter. NemoClaw does not require any kind of a GPU from NVIDIA to run. You can deploy it in any existing infrastructure, 1,000 rupees VPS or your own infrastructure anywhere. So it is the right time to buy your own VPS before the price gets start increasing. So the link is in the description. You can buy your VPS right now. And I have been seeing this from a long time. VPS is the way which each and every company will require in the future. Now let me take you to the past. In 1991, Linux was launched. It was an open source no one much cared about. But today, 96% of the internet run on the Linux. In 1992, a guy named Tim Berners launched HTML. Today, if no HTML, no internet. In 1993, Kubernetes was launched. It became the backbone of every cloud-based solution. Now in the video, Jason is comparing this all three big technology with the OpenClaw and the NemoClaw. This NemoClaw and OpenClaw is going to be the backbone of the AI agent which are going to run for your company 24/7. You just give the command and they will do the work. This is a new era which is going to start. If you don't step in, if you don't accept it, you are going to stay behind. The people who learned the HTML when it was launched, they are the first wave of the internet connection. They are billionaire. The people learning OpenClaw and the NemoClaw in 2026 are going to be the market leader by 2023. It's not maybe, it's not possibly, they are going to be. So I would recommend do not waste it. So for the past 20 years, software is something which we all use. Notion, Slack, Google subscriptions, CRMs, multiple other tools out there. You are the person who drive them. In the agentic world, software becomes something which works for you. You hire the agent, they work for you. Think about it. Right now, you might be paying for software something which can manage your social media. But agent can write, schedule, and respond 24/7. Agent can read the email, write the email, and take the follow-up as well. CRM. But agent can update the record, follow up, flag hot lead or not hot lead automatically. This is a shift from SaaS to AaaS, agent as a service. It's not a prediction, it is already happening. And NemoClaw is what makes it safe for the business to commit to it and start using it. Here is the big opportunity. Business want to take it, but they are scared. The number one question they have in your mind, what about the data? So here it is. OpenClaw secured by NemoClaw is the solution for all the businesses. Your data is fully compliant. Your agent can't do any kind of file access without getting the access. Here is the full compliance layer. Deal is closed. Jason introduced a concept in GTC called as token budgeting. So in the future, people are going to hire with some kind of a token. Let's say, for example, you hire two people and you give them both 10 lakh per year as a salary. Plus the second guy get a token as well. So the first person is going to do the work which he is hired for. But the second person who has the token can spawn his AI agent team, can use that particular token and can do 5x to 10x more tasks than the first person. Who would you hire? Ask yourself a question. So in the future, token is going to be a thing. So whenever you hire a person, you would be allocating them a token and you would see how much output they can bring with that particular token. This isn't a threat. This is happening right now in the Silicon Valley. So you shouldn't be scared from this. You should take it as an opportunity and start utilizing it. The freelancer who learned NemoClaw is the person who can run 5 client automation simultaneously without having a team. The entrepreneur who learned this today is the person who will be building AI based operating system without hiring 10 different employees and managing them. Your token budget is directly proportional to your earning capability. Learn the tool that gives you the token. Now the NVIDIA is not just a chip company. Let's sink that in. They now have the hardware, the GPUs, everything runs on it. The models, it's kind of a Nemotron, Cosmos, Groot, BioNemo, a frontier model of every domain. The agent runtime, NemoClaw on top of the OpenClaw, and now the co-liation, the world's top AI labs co-building the next generation of open models. This is a full stack play. Now let me tell you exactly how you can turn this into an income. Every business is from a 3-person CA firm to the 500-person firm is going to need an AI agent strategy. Jensen said that every company will be requiring an OpenClaw strategy. In the same way, in the 1985, every company required HTML strategy, and in 2015, every company required the Kubernetes strategy. But here's the thing, most companies don't know about the OpenClaw. So they definitely don't know about what is NemoClaw. And they have one massive flair. What if I give my data to my AI agent? What are the chances that the data won't get leaked? This is your pitch and this is your entry point. You walk into the B2B conversation and say, I will set up an AI agent for your system. They will read your email, reply to the email, handle your CRM, do your content posting, do the follow-ups from your customer, lead management, everything. And I guarantee you that your data will be safe. Every action will be logged, every access will be logged, full audit trail will be given to you. 3-word closes B2B deal: governance, auditability, and compliance. NemoClaw gives you all 3 things today. People building the AI agent strategies in 2026 are going to be some of the biggest name by 2030. Now the only question is, are you one of them? Let me bring this full circle. So in today's video, I have covered mostly all the theories around the NemoClaw and what happened in the GTC event. So in the next video, I'll be telling you how to install this NemoClaw into your system. But I hope you understand the opportunity that you are getting with the NemoClaw. The one big factor, the OpenClaw, people were afraid of downloading them, is now solved with the term called NemoClaw. I hope you understand the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.